How to make a weaponsmith villager in Minecraft. So first just find a village, and once you're on a village, just we'll make our materials. So get a crafting table and a furnace ready. I have my furnace right here. Now go to your crafting table and get your oak log, 3 cobblestones, and of course coal for the furnace. Now put your oak log on the crafting table and it will become 4 oak planks right here. And go to the furnace, load it up with coal, put your cobblestone, and just wait for this to finish. So first just go to the crafting table. Now place 2 of these oak planks on the crafting table to get sticks. So you have 4 sticks right here. And you're just gonna wait for this to finish. And now after that, it will become stone. Once we have that, go to your crafting table again and now put the stone here on the bottom to get stone slabs. And now once we have our stone slab, put one here on the top and put sticks on either side. And now get your oak planks and put it on or below the sticks right there, and you will get your grindstone. And once that's done, you will need to find a villager who is unemployed or who has who don't doesn't have any job. So here we're gonna find some villagers. So we have some villagers right here. So they don't have any jobs as of the moment. So I'm just gonna put the grindstone right here and wait for them to accept the job. Now, as you can see, they now have accepted the job, and I right click on it. We can now do trades. And that's how I basically make a weaponsmith villager in Minecraft.